Ahoy! Today I want to talk about anchors, and as some of you know, I'm very happy with my Rocna Anchor. I bought a Rocna quite some time ago and actually never had any problems with it. But when I was on the exhibition on the boat show in San Diego last year, you remember? I found that ultra anchor.
I just need 2 fingers. It's digging in quite good, but not that much. I can pull it with 2 fingers. Now I pull this one. No way.
And it was so amazing to see how deep this anchor goes into the soil, into the sand or whatever, that I actually contacted Ultra and they sent me an anchor. It fits my bowsprit a little better than the Rocna with this curved steel on top. And today I tested it. I did some video footage to show you what it's all about. I mean, I did the exact same thing with the Rocna that I did with the Ultra, and I filmed it, which means we dropped anchor, we pulled it in backwards with around 1500 to 2000 RPM, which is quite a lot, and then turned the boat around, over steered our anchor. So we pretended that the wind is shifting or the tide is shifting or whatever, and now the anchor, which is into that position, has to remove and go into the other position. So all this is here on the video now to show you how both anchors perform. Actually, I must say both anchors perform very good. the advantage from the Ultra is that it's gripping deeper and deeper into the sand. It's engineered that it's not staying on the surface. So the more pressure you put on it, the deeper it goes. And you can see that on the video. I mean, I can't really put more pressure on it than just 2000 RPMs. But once the force is there and it's set, it's not going any deeper. With a storm, it's a different situation, which I can't really reproduce, because that means it's just going step by step. It's always the wind pushes the boat back, and the waves are pushing on the chain. And this is a very powerful, strong, short interval pull, and that means it goes deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. The Rocna stays on the surface. I never ever had the Rocna buried into the sand, so I couldn't see it completely. He always had either a tiny bit of this curved steel which shows up, or at least the shaft. And that why I dove this anchor I don't know how many 100 times. So I don't have the experience with the Ultra, but today I could only see a little piece of the shaft, and everything else was under the sand. So I must really say it's a good anchor. I like it. It's stainless steel, which is kind of nice. Unfortunately pretty expensive, but if that means your anchor is not slipping when other anchors slip, then maybe it's worth the money. It's definitely engineered into the right way compared to the older anchor we had 10, 15, 20 years ago. We did a big step in the right direction, first with the Rocna and now with the Ultra, and of course there are a couple other anchors which are good as well. The new design, the new school anchors, I like them way more than the old ones, and both thumbs up for the Ultra today. Aloha and out.
Just me